Hi, my name is Ashley Berry. I'm from Edinburgh, Scotland, and I'm going to my final year doing an MA in economics. And I found out about the Swiss Finance Academy through my career service at university.
Hi, my name is Arthur Lucien. I just graduated from Villanova University. I am the class of Swiss Finance Academy 2008 summer, and July 14th, which is a week from now, I start working for HSBC in New York City.
Hi, my name is Joanna, and I just finished my freshman year at Stanford University. I come from California.
My name is Nick. I am from Kansas City, Missouri.
Hello, my name is Ife Adedoyin. I'm from at Cornell University. I chose to come to Swiss Finance Academy because I wanted a better understanding of the finance industry, and I wanted to see if it would be the right fit for me, maybe as an investment banker or somewhere in the financial industry.
Yeah, we all came from the American University in Dubai. We came here together, and we all studied finance and banking. Hoping to learn more when we get here, and we did, and it was a great experience. What I liked most about it was meeting all the people, meeting everyone from all the different places.
I came to Swiss Finance to better enhance my financial skills.
I came here really to try and find out which sector I wanted to work in, M&A or wealth management or hedge funds, and we've really covered quite a lot.
So I decided to come here, and I wasn't sure what I was getting myself into, but it became pretty clear in the first week.
The first week was mostly learning about financial fundamentals. The second week was spending a lot of time with current events and macro events. And this third week has been a lot about private equity and hedge funds.
We had, 16 hours of lecture. It was really intense.
The unique aspect of this course is that we really discuss, real life situations that you can only get from somebody that has worked in the industry for so long. So that is what I found most useful.
And in the first week alone, I learned a lot. And with everyone I talked to, I told them, it's worth every cent. It's worth every cent.
I mean, personally, what I found the most interesting is that now I really want to be an investment banker.
Same here. We're both into private equity. We're hoping when we get back, we can start up our own firm.
Swiss Finance Academy's mission is to help its students learn as much as possible about Wall Street, about investment banking, finance, in order to make them competitive candidates for not only landing a job on Wall Street or in the City of London, but also succeeding in those areas.
We spent countless nights working until about 12 to 1 in the morning learning about firm valuation, and that would include non-stop modeling, going over exactly what to do with depreciation, how the interest tax shield works, how to calculate the revolvers.
Right? It's all about cash flows. So growth of the company could be one reason. Maybe one company has a better brand and they have better margins, which is sort of the cost point. So if somebody has a better brand, better business, they may be trading at a higher multiple. So
it's about expectations then.
It's about expectation, exactly.
Completely doing a debt schedule and forecasting out to the future. Much more about not just the standalone models, but then how to value the company that you want to acquire, what happens to the shares, accretion, dilution models.
It's about expectation. So you can't just say, hey, look at the other guy making the laptop and his company is trading at 3.5 times, so your company should be that. You have to go beyond that and standardize for that before you can advise the CEO that your company should be valued at so and so.
This is probably the first academic thing that I've ever been a part of that, without question, everybody who was there was absolutely brilliant. I mean, I've never seen a larger collection of just very intelligent people.
They said it was a cost margin, average was 83%.
And did you take that by, did you take that like 1505 divided by 1755?
Yeah,
and that came up to like 82?
Discount rate? Terminal growth rate. Terminal growth rate. I use 3%. So you have the same growth rate. I mean, I'm using 2.8, but it's pretty close.
Guys, question number 1. What's the difference between marketable securities and short-term investments? There is no difference. It's absolutely one and the same thing.
I learned a lot personally, more if it's not theoretical, but more about real life investment banking, real life
modeling,
real, basically real life.
I'm
definitely more confident now. I mean, I feel like I know what investment bankers think, how they smell, how they talk.
In one small but extremely challenging month, we give them a detailed perspective on life as an investment banker, hone their skills in corporate finance, teach them about things ranging from not just CAPM and valuation, but also how investment bankers actually value companies in real life, how they interact with clients and get clients, how the venture capital world works, how private investments world works, how to build a career in the hedge fund industry, how to do asset management, what it means to manage risk for your clients.
From the Finance Academy itself, I've learned lots of stuff that even like analysts and associates wouldn't know, how the industry works, what are the catches, specific ways to approach like handling a job, interviewing, just things I would never have known.
I think one last thing you could potentially do, depending on what your background is try to develop a skill that a bank likes and doesn't necessarily develop well internally.
So, a nice thing to say would be, what we'd like to do is look at comparable transactions to help us decide, in this discrepancy, because we have a discrepancy, you don't do and that's what I'm trying to get to. You're often doing presentations on the basis of not as much information as you'd like.
I came here with the experience that, okay, I've attended a couple of training. This is just one more training, I'm coming to attend. But this particular training is kind of, it's really different, not kind of different, really, really different. From the way we're being taught, to the classroom experience, to the case studies, to, all aspects of what we did was, what I would just say was wonderful.
Another advantage that the Swiss Finance Academy students are able to receive is build close relationships and friendships and this network with other individuals who also are extremely ambitious, who wish to build a career in international finance and investment banking in particular, and who are there interacting with them, learning with them, and going through this wonderful classroom experience that has been created for them in this incredibly beautiful setting.
And when you have a program that brings people from more than 25 countries together, then hey, you're talking about making friends in virtually every part of the world. It's now like the kind of contact base I have. Every country in the world, I pick up the phone, I can call somebody who is my friend.
The intro night when we had the dinner, there were a couple alumni here who said that you'd be amazed the friendships you make in just the few weeks that you're here, and I was honestly a little bit skeptical about that, especially my personality. I thought, okay, I'm here to learn, we'll see about that. But within the first week, I honestly felt like the girls that I was spending time with, I felt like I'd gone to college with them for the last 4 years. It was really amazing how quickly we really did become close. I feel a little bit cliche saying that, but it's incredible, the friendships that we've made and the networking that goes on here. I know that I'm going to stay in contact with a large majority of these people forever.
Yes. Another thing I liked was the location. Lugano was beautiful. Just being in class for so long and then coming out outdoors.
We appreciate it.
We really appreciate that. It made us calm down. It made us feel good at the end of the day. I can't see that far.
So if you're ready for hard work and you're dedicated and you're really passionate about finance, this is definitely a great course for you. I highly recommend it.
And I've got what I came for. I mean, it's an absolutely phenomenal experience, and just being up here looking at that all the time is absolutely amazing. So I had a great time.